The 29th of January 2024, and we got a friend from down the road, young Mr. Guy Anglin. He lives in Florida. He's our age. He's got a German Shorthair. His name's Jake. They have gone on up the road there. And I think they got a bird. I had to go back to the house and get a coat. I forgot to wear a coat, and I got cold. So that's all I know about Jake, and I know he's a German Shorthair, and I don't know how old he is or anything. We're gonna find out. I heard him shoot twice. I was down over the hill, and don't know what they did or didn't do. Well, like I say, we'll find out. Jake's running around down there. Well, how y'all doing?
He's got bird dog.
He does? He's good, huh? Well, I'm glad he put. I'm glad you put him out first, so he's sorry dogs of ours.
He's the real deal.
Well, how many y'all got?
Got, what, 3 of the 4.
All right. The birds flying any good?
We had one that got away that lit down there somewhere. Yeah, we might catch it. We might catch it.
Yeah, man. Well, all right. Now we got Jake here pointed. He knows how to do it, evidently.
Yeah, he does pretty good. Like you say, he learned it on his own. I didn't teach him anything. 20-25 feet from that last bird.
Oh, great.
Yeah, he has a good nose.
Now, did you get him from, who'd you get him from?
I got him from Archie Jones.
Yeah, you, that's right.
I lucked out on that dog. I don't know that I'd buy another one from Archie.
Well, now,
I came out with this one.
you want, how you want to come in, Guy?
Oh, behind me. I'll let Bob walk him off. You walk him up, Guy. I walk the left.
No, you walk them all up. I'm going to get over here out of the way.
I'm going to get right here and lay down.
Okay.
I'm good, Guy.
Okay. He's a smart man.
Well, that way you can shoot over me if you have to. I think you did.
Big time.
How about you, Bob? Now here we go. We got Jake again, and the birds is in front of him, and he's ready. Okay, Guy.
Okay.
Bob, you ready?
I'm ready. All right. Whoa.
Okay, Jake, good boy. You got him.
Yeah, the second shot.
Okay, now we got
Whoa.
Jake smelling birds here. He's not as steady as he's been.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wind maybe. There they are. Okay, now. He is way back.
Good job.
Very good job. Very good, Jake.
That's where we are.
Uh-huh. That's great. Get him now. All right, Mr. Anglin's fixing to put them on the ground.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, they want to go with me because I ain't got a gun. Kick them hard. There you go. There's another bird.
What? Okay. Hang on just a minute.
He didn't go the wrong direction.
No, I should have hit. That was the first shot.
He got right your way.
That was easy shot, and I missed it.
That was good.
Good right
Yeah, get this one now.
there. Okay.
Bird had walked over here evidently, and Jake's got him. Okay. I see the bird. I see the bird on the ground. Yeah. I do. He's right out there in front of him.
I see him bird right up there.
Uh-huh. Good. Well, we have put out Lucy to hunt with Jake, and I don't know what we're gonna do here. I can't hit nothing, and Guy, he'll have to do the hunting. He back all right?
Oh yeah, he normally does.
He didn't see her. He went right by her.
Whoa. Whoa.
Good girl. Good Lucy. So,
Back. First time I ever took him was another dog. Jake! What is he doing?
he's trying to smell them, I think. Like my dogs do the same thing.
Jake?
Okay, now Guy, you want to kick him up again? I'll stand out over here.
You can kick him up. I've been shooting all morning.
Well, that's what we got you him for.
He's doing a good job.
Oh, good girl. Good girl. You ready now? Come on, where you?
Go ahead. Go ahead and kick him up.
I missed mine.
Jake, come in here.
Where'd he go, Bob? In the tree? See, we've been pointed up here a long while. She pointed over 300 yards from us. And we got one bird up down there. And then we got two here. Good girls. Good Jake. Good. Whoa. So they're coming on up here at a very leisurely pace. Okay, girls. All right, Guy, get in there and get them up. Let's go. Okay, buddy, come on. I don't know which way they'll go. Kick them hard.
Right on the ground.
I should have shot. I was waiting to see if you was gonna shoot.
I was waiting to see if you were going to shoot.
Go ahead. Don't wait on me. Go ahead and see if there's another one there. Lucy, come back in here, girl. Hey, Lucy. Hey, Lucy. He's not down. Come on.
Go across the road.
He went all in them woods. Come on, baby. Bird in here now. Bird in here, girl. Oh.
Jake, come in here. Okay, Sammy, I'm going to go ahead and kick him.
You kick him, man. I'm ready. I'm not going to wait on you this time. I'm not going to wait if he's still there. Dead, Lucy, dead. I'll be glad to. Whoa, boy. Whoa. Everybody ready? You go. Okay.
Jake, come in here with that.
It's a single bird. It's got your name on it.
Well, let's be waiting for me to shoot now.
No. I had some coconut grass in here marked. Come on, man. You gonna go up there? Yeah, we got it. Okay. You want to kick him?
Yeah, go ahead, Sammy.
Get him. Good shot now. That's what I call doing it. Okay, there's Lucy over there. And the great Luke right here. And Guy and I are going to get these birds. I missed that sucker twice. I can't believe it. Boy, Bob, he went a long way up there, didn't he? You ready?
Did you get one, Guy? Alright.
Great. Dead bird, Lucy. Come on. She'll let her find him.